Okay, so number 6 starts getting into really all the skills tests you've been doing. So when we go through 9 and 10, you're going to be like, how's that any different than the test we just took on chapter 11? It really isn't, because those are the same skills you had to use to get through your test today. So chapter 9, objective 6, given a word statement, be able to write a balanced equation. So I tried to give you one of everything on here. There's a metal, a non-metal, an ionic compound, and a covalent compound. So we're going to hit all 4 rules. Hydrogen gas, that's just a non-metal. Pure element, non-metal, so it's diatomic, H2. It reacts with iron sulfide. That's a metal and a non-metal, so I know it's an ionic compound. This 3 is telling me that iron's losing 3 electrons. Sulfide, the IDE is telling me it's just sulfur. And when I look, sulfur can gain 2 electrons. So if I have iron losing 3 electrons and sulfur only able to take 2, 1 sulfur and 1 iron isn't going to get the job done. And a second sulfur doesn't quite work either, because then I'm short an electron. So hopefully you're recognizing this by now, that this would mean it's Fe2S3. And it's going to form dihydrogen monosulfide, so that's a covalent compound. So the dihydrogen monosulfide's telling me it's H2S. And an iron metal, that's a pure metal, and metals are large and lonely, so it's just Fe. To balance it, I could put a 3 here for the sulfur, a 2 here for the iron, and then I just need a 3 here for the hydrogen. I don't care if you show a rap sheet for balancing. I notice on the chapter 11 test, most of the equations people balance pretty easily. Some people used rap sheets, some people didn't. Doesn't matter. What I'm looking for is, this would probably be a 5-mark question right here. 1 for each formula, and then 1 for balancing. Which is why some of the marks on your test today were 7, 8, 9, 10 marks. Because if you had the wrong formula, all your calculations were going to be wrong.